Welcome everyone to week 10. I hope everyone is staying safe, well, and healthy. So let's go ahead and start talking about what we have coming up. So due tonight, 10/26, we have two CPT surgical coding assignments. I know a lot of you have completed them already, some have not. So make sure you spend some time, take your time doing these, and let's come out with a good score. And I will, as I usually do when I correct them, send out a video and just kind of explain the assignment on what we're looking for, what should have been done, and maybe you did everything correct. So let's jump to the next couple of weeks coming up. 11/2, there is a CPT case study assignment. And then on 11/9, we'll get into physician query assignment, which will be due. That will be lesson 11. So opening today, I want to bring this up. So lesson 12, it's focused on CDI and quality improvement. So these are two graded elements in this lesson. As noted on your course calendar, they are going to keep you busy. So if you by chance have any extra time, go ahead and open these up and, check them out and get a head start on them. One is going to be a graded discussion, and the other one is just going to be an assignment that you submit. So again, we have some busy times coming up here. Make sure you do not procrastinate. Get a good head start on it. Okay, a couple other different things I just want to bring to your attention. Make sure you complete your online evaluation for my course, HIT 205. All of your responses are confidential, so you don't have to worry about that. It just gives the college, the instructor, the students, gives us some feedback to how we improve things. So, with that note, have a great week. For those of you who celebrate Halloween, have a safe, fun Halloween, and everybody stay healthy until next week. Talk to you then.